Hello everyone, welcome to ISC1 video presentation. My name is Digvijay Venkat Lohar. My roll number is 07, Division TY CSCB. Subject name is Industrial Management and Operational Research. We will see about the 6 major principles of purchasing. Let's see the introductions of the purchasing. After that we will see about the 6 major principles of the purchasing. Purchasing is the process of acquiring goods or services from suppliers or vendor for a business or individual's use. It is an essential function in any organization that involves sourcing, negotiating, ordering, receiving, and paying for the product or services. Purchasing is the critical component of the supply chain management process as it ensures that right products are acquired at right time, price, and quantity to meet the organization's needs. Effective purchasing involves strategic planning, identifying the right suppliers, negotiating favorable terms and conditions, managing suppliers' relationship, and continuously evolution and improving the purchasing process. The purchasing process can be complex, involving multiple stakeholders, legal requirements, ethical consideration. Successful purchasing requires strong understanding of market as well as knowledge of procurement best practices, risk management, and the cost optimization strategies. Overall, purchasing plays the vital role in ensuring the success of sustainability of organization as it can be impact quality, cost, availability of goods and services. According to Westing, Fine and James, purchasing is the manageable activity that goes behind the simple act of buying. It includes research and development of proper selection, follow-up to ensure timely delivery, inspection, storekeeping, and accounting operations. Let's see the objectives of purchasing. First is to keep the department expenses low. Second is development of goods and the new vendors. Third is development of good relation with existing suppliers. Fourth is training and development of personal employees in department. Fifth is to maintain proper and up-to-date records of all transactions. Sixth, participating in development of new materials and the products. Seventh, to contribute in product improvement. Eighth objective is to avoid stock out situations. Nine is to develop policies and the procedures. These are the objectives of the purchasing. After the introductions of the purchasing, now we see about the 6 major principles of purchasing. Some of the major principles of the purchasing are right quality, right quantity, right time, right source, right price, and right place. These are the 6 major principles of the purchasing. Now we see the brief idea about the 6 major principles of purchasing. Let's see the 6 major principles of purchasing one by one. First is the right quality. The right quality refers suitability of an item for the design purpose and that meets the customer requirement for producing goods of the best quality. The best grade of raw material may be right quality, whereas for producing item of medium quality, the average lowest grade may be right quality. The quality of atom is called as grades. It can be measured by physical test, chemical analysis, or by any other methods, depending upon the nature of the products. The use of the standard specifications, brand names, or the trade name help in purchasing of required qualities of material. The quality must be built into the product. It is the duty of purchasing department to ensure that material are purchased from those suppliers. Second principle is the right quantity. The material purchased should be right quantity. The right quantity is the quality that may be purchased at a time with minimum total cost and which avoids shortage of material, ensuring and maintaining a regular flow of material for the carrying the productions activity is the vital aim of purchase organization. Excess purchase should be avoided. It results in overstocking and capital in unnecessarily block and inventory carrying cost goes up. For deciding the amount of right quantity to be purchased, the certain important factors must be considered by management. These are the natures of the manufacturing process, the natures of the material to be used, prevailing market conditions such as change in the tastes and mm, preference of the peoples, cost of materials to be purchased, cost of positions, and the storing capacity of the organizations. Third principle is the right time. The time at which purchases are to be made is the vital importance. In the case of atom used regularly, the right time means time when the stock reaches the minimum level. The recorded level of material is fixed for each atom under the principle of a right time. The actions of purchasing of a new supplier should be immediately initiated when the material reaches the reorder level. The reorder level for each type of material is calculated by applying the following formula. Reorder level is equal to maximum consumption into maximum reorder period. The material control department sends the purchase requisitions to, to be purchase department for the purchase of material. In case of material are required for special job, the purchase department ensures that the material are delivered in time. Another important factor to be considered in the delivery of the material from the store to production department, any under delay in supplying the material on different jobs, delay in the productions. Fourth principles of purchasing is the right source. Selecting right source for the purchase of material is an important consideration in the purchase of procedures. The right source for the procurement of material is that supplier who can supply the material of the right quality as ordered, in the right quality quantity as ordered, at the right time which material were required to be supplied. The sources of material should be located within the reasonable distance for the buyer's organization. This will minimize the delivery delays, higher transformation charges, and improve the personal contact between buyers and the suppliers, and enable the better after-sales services, etc. Fifth major principles of the purchasing is the right price. Determination of a right price is the difficult task. It is the main object of any organization to procure the material items at a right price. It is that price which brings the best ultimate value of the main money invested in the purchasing the material. Deciding the right price of the product depends on the variety of factors such as the quality, delivery time and ultimate life of material, demand and supply curve, extent of competitions, government restrictions, after sales and service, discount offered, and terms of purchase, etc. It may be pointed out here that the determination of proper price depends not only on the market knowledge but also clear understanding of pricing process. Sixth and the last major principle of the purchasing is the right place. Beside obtaining the material of the right quality and quantity from the right source at the right price, it should be ensured that the material should are available at the right place. Transportation and the material handling costs are greatly affected by the selection of right place from where the material are to be acquired. For minimizing this cost, selection of right place for the acquisition of material is at most importance. If local as well as outside suppliers fulfill these conditions, the former should be preferred. The above mentioned the principles of purchasing can be summed up as the 6 R of purchasing. These are also known as essentials to be followed up by the purchasing executive. In this video, we learn about the six major principles of the purchasing, which are right quality, right quantity, right time, right source, right price, and the right place. This is all about the six major principles of the purchasing. Thank you, all of you.